As you can see, our tube is really flat, and our tire is worn out. Time to put in a new 20-inch tire and a matching bike tube. First, we take off the wheel, and the gear shift and these axle nuts. A 5mm Allen wrench is used to take off the axle nut. Once the axle nut on the other side is off, it's recommended to support the wheel as it drops. Keep in mind that the spacer, or bushing, on each bolt is different for each side, so it's good to keep track of that when reconnecting the wheel. We take the two gear shifting cables off the hub, so that they won't be in the way. Tire levers are used to take the tire off the wheel. We pump a bit of air into our new bike tube to give it some volume, not a lot, just enough to make it stay round. We place the tube in the tire. Then we're attaching the tire to the wheel. We want the bead to be over the rim. We install the bead of the tire on one side completely before putting the other side on. We want to make sure that the disc fits in between the disc pads. And also get the chain to go under the derailleur. So you pull the derailleur. Get the chain wrapped around. Not as easy as it looks. Once the chain is on, we can lift it up. Then we get the disc here between the brake. Once we get that done, we line this hole here with the hole in the frame. There's this axle plate that we mate with the axle bone on the other side. We put the axle nuts back in, and then we tighten them. Now we connect the gear cables. This nodule goes into this slot, so we start by putting this cable into the hub like that. We take the nodule and make sure that it's in the channel and snap it into the groove on the top. Then we grab the other nodule, making sure it also sits in the groove. Then we stretch it into the groove here, and snap the extended metal part into place, and that's it.